Hey viewers, you can also create this type of video on your home from your Android mobile. For create this type of video, just download Kinemaster app. This app will be available on Google Play Store. You can download from there, and either you can download this app from my video description and just follow my video.
This is the tutorial video of first video clips by Kinemaster. First taken a layer of short video clips of my video. Here's the video, and that will be cut middle of the layer. That's just selected the position of cutting, and there is split and insert fetch. There is now one of photo layers and one of video clips. Divide my video 3-part. Video layers will be cutted, deleted. Here is the photo layers, and here added a video clips which will be flow. There's a selected video which I use on my project. Here's the video clips. Then I will set up these video clips. The video clips will be cropped on my iClip, and that's a marks will open, and a round will be selected. Then the size will be adjustment with my eyeball. Here's the adjust on my eyeball, and feather will be 50. Now there is go, it's the accurate on my eyeball. You can see viewers, that's an awesome look, and it will in animation fade from the option. Now I play the video clip, and the second video layer will be cutted, adjust on with my first video clips, and I am playing the video clips. You can see viewers, what a great look. Now this project will be saved. Save the project, and new project will be creating. I select the video clips what I save sometime ago. That's a video clip that's the video clips. Here's the layer will be cutted from middle of the video where eyeball effect is beginning. Thus, and second layer will be cropped from ending side. Here stretch and take out in front of scheme and zoom the video layer of ending side from ending side and right. I play this video again. Now you can see, viewers, what a great look. Then I will add the second video layer again. Here select the second video layer and simply I adjust this video. So friend, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Please, here you can see what a awesome look. I play again this video. Here we go, it's a great look. Wow, what a awesome look. You can also creating this type of video by follow my project. Now just stream the video from inside and it's safe, and I play again this video. Here is created the project and the video will be safe. It's just selected the resolution 720 video quality and just save this video. Bye friend.